What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another video contributing to your online success and making money online. Before we jump into this show, I invite you all to hit the subscribe button. Alright? Hit the subscribe button. Smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share this video with everyone you know. Now today is for all my writers. Today is a way that you guys can make money online as a writer, and you will be contributing to a website called Seeking Alpha. You can become a Seeking Alpha contributor and make a decent sum of money. Now, who are Seeking Alpha's contributors? Well, over 16,000 people have contributed articles over the years. Now, if you don't know, Seeking Alpha is actually a web-based investment website that also has an app that gives you updates and information about what's happening in the marketplace live time. Okay, so that's their core business, and you can become a contributor. So if you're a writer, you have some great knowledge of investments, of markets, and so forth, you can actually contribute to Seeking Alpha's website and get paid. Now, some small research has actually brought to my attention that most websites will pay $35 to $150 per article. Alright? And they will send the payment immediately after submitting your article to that website. Okay, so if you can write an article daily based on what's happening in the markets and earn an average of, say, even $80 a day, you're looking at, for a 30-day month, you're looking at $2,400. Not terrible, right? So imagine if your wealth and your experience, your wealth of experience is actually increased, or you contribute a lot more, or you become a top contributor, then you could command more money. Now, this says these include, speaking to contributed articles, these include individual and institutional investors, fund managers, college students, retirees, analysts, excuse me, and basically anyone who wants to share investment insights and ideas with our community. Okay? So if you're any of these, you could actually contribute and make money. You too can become a contributor today. For any assistance or questions, please contact them here, and you can read Seeking Alpha's commitment to contributors here. So you just need to click this button to become a contributor. Okay? Now, free access to Seeking Alpha's research library. Seeking Alpha Premium offers subscribers access to our research library, covering thousands of stocks, many of which have little or no coverage elsewhere. Active authors receive free access to this research library and to premium tools. So when you become a contributor, they give you access to their intense premium information so that you can actually track stuff that half the other people aren't even getting access to anyways. Alright? So when you become a contributor, you have access to all this information, which you can clearly use personally. So if you are an investor yourself, you can actually use this platform to help yourself contribute to Seeking Alpha, and also even in your investments, because you'll be exposed to all this information. So let's go further about exposure. Now, reach millions of active investors via our real-time alerts, newsletters, and content partners including Bloomberg, CNBC, MarketWatch, NASDAQ, MSN, Zacks, and Interactive Brokers. Our partners show links to articles which can be read in full on Seeking Alpha, driving traffic to your content. And then and there, you can actually get more viewership. Depending on how good your content is, you can actually become a preferred contributor. Okay? And command more money. Now, compensation. Exclusive articles earn money based on traffic, content, topics, and quality. Earn up to $1,000 per article. Now, this is not the case in every situation, but they are saying that you can earn up to $1,000 if you produce nice premium content. Okay? You can also build a business on the Seeking Alpha marketplace, launch your own investing related service directly on Seeking Alpha, and get in front of hundreds of thousands of interested readers. We provide full infrastructure and support. You provide the business idea, and you can get more details there. Now, if this isn't an awesome all-in-one place to make money online, I don't know what is. Okay? You're getting everything in a bundle and an opportunity to be able to start your own business on their platform, getting free traffic because of your articles, while getting paid for your articles because of said free traffic. This is insane. So you could be an investor, you can be a contributor to their website, and you can launch your own business on their platform. So there's 3 ways in one that you can make money online through Seeking Alpha. Guys, if you're into investments, stocks, you have a wealth of knowledge that you can share. You don't need to be the biggest guy. You could be an institutional investor. You could be a fund manager, which are the big wigs, or a college student, or a retiree, an analyst, and anyone who wants to share investment insights. You can make money from this. Okay? There are so many ways to make money online. Now, to help these videos go out to more people, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Stay safe, keep investing, and the best investment you can make is in yourself. If you want to invest in yourself, check the links in the description below. Okay? These links will teach you how to build your own online business outside of Seeking Alpha and this particular platform. Okay? Check those links. If you're not for it, great. If you are for it, great. If you're for it, share it. It's that simple. Thanks again. Stay safe. This is the Internet Income Ninja, sharing ways and means to make money online. Peace.